All right, guys, Zeddy of Fliptroniks, and I'm going to be going over 3 tips for how you can make money trading crypto on Robinhood. Now, I've been using Robinhood for a long time. This year, I've done pretty well trading crypto, and I'm going to go over some of the things that have helped me out. Also, if you guys could smash like button on this video, I would definitely appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that as well. Now, the first thing I'm going to go over is a really good tip if you use it correctly, and I feel like it's one of the things people don't talk about. But on Robinhood, what's cool is that they allow you to borrow money. Now, if you do this responsibly, you can leverage yourself up to make even more money faster. And I'll show you an example of how I've done this one time this year specifically. But I'm just going to pull up basically what this looks like. So currently I've borrowed about $30,000. You really don't want to borrow more than 10 or 20% of your account value. But right now I'm a little bit over that. But what's crazy is on the $30,000 I've borrowed, I'm paying 2.5%, which is a yearly interest rate. And it's basically about $80 a month I'm paying for borrowing this money. Now, on the flip side, if my account went down, and lost 50% of its value, I would be in a little bit of trouble. I'd have to put more money in my account to cover things. But realistically, I just know that's not going to happen based on the stuff I currently own. Okay, so I'm going to show the example here of Ethereum, and this is kind of bringing up my next tip after borrowing money. You definitely need to be doing what's called swing trading. So swing trading is when you buy on dips and then you sell when things go up a little bit. It could be anywhere from a few percent to maybe like 10% max, and then you kind of just sit back, rinse and repeat the process, and it allows you to grow your money faster. And I was able to do this this year with borrowed money. I borrowed actually, I think, $25,000 at the time. And I put $4,000 of my own money into Ethereum. So when I bought this position, I was in for about $29,000 total. And then just a few weeks later, I sold my position for about $39,000. So I was able to do this with borrowing money and using swing trading. Now, if I didn't borrow that money, I would have made $1,400 as opposed to $10,000. So, I mean, you can see how crazy the difference is here. And like I said, I wouldn't have been able to do that without borrowing money. And then the next thing here, and this is a little bit of a lesson for everybody out there, set some price targets for yourself. Now you can see Bitcoin Cash is a coin I got into, and I'm down like, whatever it is, like 24,000. But if you're looking at this, I will also point out that I've made a ton of money on Bitcoin Cash this year. I'm still up like 40,000 at least, even being down. But yeah, you want to set price targets, guys, for when you want to sell and get out. Usually, you'll have that in your head or some kind of idea when you buy into a cryptocurrency. And then, if I was going to buy a couple coins right now, I do like Bitcoin Cash, obviously. I think Ethereum Classic is good to get into right now as well, mainly because, if Ethereum keeps going up in price over time, which I definitely see it, I think Ethereum Classic is a good coin to get into just for like holding on to for the long term, but you could also try swing trading it. And I've actually wanted to get in on Ethereum Classic. I just haven't bought just because I'm kind of like strapped for cash right now because of Bitcoin Cash, and I haven't added any more money in my account. All right, and then we've got Ethereum. I do like Ethereum. Like I said, Ethereum and Ethereum Classic here on Robinhood obviously kind of go hand in hand a little bit. Ethereum's definitely a good long-term hold, but I've made money swing trading it. So yeah, I would definitely recommend getting into it. Now, obviously, the last thing I want to point out too is Robinhood only has 7 cryptos you can buy, sell, and trade. However, they are going to be adding 3 more coins this year, being Chainlink, Cardano, and XLM. So I'm excited to see some more coins, pop on Robinhood because it's definitely been long overdue. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to get started on Robinhood and you haven't, I'll have some bonus and sign up links in both the description and comments. Don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.